Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today I'll be showing you how you install Fortnite Mobile on your mobile phone. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and get your mobile phone up. Currently, I'm using an emulator right here to show you, but it's the same process on your mobile phone. So guys, the first step to downloading Fortnite Mobile is to go ahead and open up the Internet Explorer of your choice. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and this is because, guys, you cannot find Fortnite on the official Play Store. So guys, after opening that, now you want to go ahead and click in the search bar. You want to go ahead and search for Fortnite Mobile. So guys, go ahead and search for that. And after searching for that, guys, now this will give you this option. The first option on the on Google will be the official Fortnite.com website, and you want to click how to play Fortnite on Android. So, or you can click the second option, which is called Fortnite Mobile on Android. Let's click how to play. Here it will give you the option to download now for your Android. So go ahead and click the yellow download button, guys. Go ahead and click on download now. And after clicking on download now, this will take you to this page where the installation will automatically start. So as you can see, the download has started for me. And here it says if I'm sure I want to keep this file. Yes, you're sure, because this is a save file. It is from the official website of Fortnite. Go ahead and click on OK, guys. And now this will download the application. Go ahead and open up the application, guys. And you want to go ahead and click on install for the application. Now we wait, guys, and as you can see, it has finished the install. You can go ahead and click on done. Let's go back to the main page, guys. Here, as you can see, it has downloaded Epic Games for us. So go ahead and open up Epic Games, guys, on your mobile phone. And here you have the option to download Fortnite. So go ahead and click on Fortnite, and here is the option, guys. And now after opening up the game, you will be able to open up Fortnite on your mobile phone. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.